Did you know that pairing shrimp with certain foods can actually pose risks to your health? Despite being revered as the nobility of the sea, shrimp have specific dietary matches that optimize their benefits and others that can lead to adverse health effects. It's essential to consume even high-quality shrimp properly to reap their full benefits, as indulging in unhealthy food combinations can potentially harm your well-being. That's why I've put together this guide to help you navigate the world of shrimp consumption and avoid serious health issues and brain damage. Join me as I reveal the 3 worst food pairings with shrimp and 3 that are the best matches. Hello everyone, it's your trusted health advisor, Dr. Luna. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the like button. Share this valuable information with your loved ones, and let's spread the word about Dr. Luna mission to promote health and wellness. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of shrimp. Shrimp, often celebrated as a symbol of longevity, captivates with its delightful texture and savory flavor. Whether it's the robust tiger shrimp or the delicate flower shrimp, each variety offers a unique culinary experience. In Japan, where shrimp consumption is abundant, it holds a special place as a beloved seafood known for its nutritional benefits. Loaded with proteins, calcium, arginine, taurine, and choline, shrimp packs a powerful punch in promoting fatigue recovery and bolstering immunity. However, despite its nutritional prowess, shrimp can turn from a health asset to a liability when paired with certain foods. Let's explore the 3 worst food pairings with shrimp and uncover why they should be avoided. Combinations that can negatively impact the prevention of serious health issues and cognitive decline, and 3 best combinations that can help extend our lives healthily. Firstly, the worst match for shrimp is caffeine-containing foods, including green or black tea, coffee, carbonated drinks, and chocolate. Indeed, among seafood, shrimp has the highest calcium content, strengthening bones and increasing bone density, making it great for preventing osteoporosis. Moreover, the abundant protein, choline, and minerals in shrimp replenish the nutrients lacking in the body and are enhanced by their essential amino acids, making them even better for health. Even the vitamins in shrimp, especially selenium, are top-notch antioxidants that destroy substances damaging cell membranes and DNA, thus delaying aging. Have you ever heard the saying, "Shrimp straightens a bent back"? It suggests that not only does shrimp taste great and improve bone and muscle health, but it also helps restore youth. Here's the catch. The beneficial calcium and bone health minerals in shrimp, if consumed with caffeine-containing foods, cannot be absorbed at all because caffeine expels these beneficial substances from the body. Even if you eat the shrimp with its shell and tail for bone health, if consumed with caffeine-containing foods, it's futile. Therefore, from now on, try to avoid caffeine beverages like green tea and coffee right after eating shrimp. Wait 1 to 2 hours until the calcium, minerals, and vitamins from the shrimp are fully absorbed into your body. Now, what food should you pair with shrimp? The first best food to pair with shrimp, as we recommend here, is cabbage. Cabbage is a vegetable packed with incredible benefits, so much so that it's called a natural digestive and illness-preventive agent. When eaten with shrimp, it creates a tremendous synergistic effect. You're probably already aware that the chitosan in shrimp is great for boosting immunity and protecting your health, and that's right. Many of you are familiar with the miracle antioxidant beta-carotene found abundantly in green and yellow vegetables. This component, found in large amounts in carrots and spinach, has excellent antioxidant effects, but it has one drawback: excessive intake can weaken the bones. But focus here. There is a miraculous component that has several times the antioxidant effect of beta-carotene, but without any side effects. It's astaxanthin, found in shrimp. In fact, its tremendous illness-preventive effect, which inhibits the onset of various health-harming cells, has been proven. Additionally, the chitosan in shrimp enhances immunity, resolving various viruses and inflammation and removing toxins, making it essential to include in your diet. And when you eat cabbage with shrimp, it becomes a miraculous food combination for illness prevention. Sulforaphane, a component of cabbage, which is a cruciferous vegetable, not only helps fight against health-harming cells, but also offers significant benefits against cardiovascular diseases. Together with the astaxanthin and chitosan in shrimp, it provides even greater benefits. Moreover, cabbage supplements the dietary fiber and vitamin C that shrimp lacks, creating the perfect combination. So make sure to include shrimp and cabbage in your meals to become even. Surprisingly, dried shrimp is one of the worst ways to consume shrimp, despite the belief that drying concentrates its nutrients. Shrimp shells contain beneficial chitosan fiber, aiding in illness prevention and brain health. However, dried shrimp is high in purines, making it unsuitable for those with gout or weak kidneys. Instead, pairing shrimp with mushrooms enhances calcium absorption and reduces cholesterol levels. While shrimp contains cholesterol, it doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels, and its omega-3s can lower cholesterol. Those with shellfish allergies should avoid shrimp. Pork paired with shrimp paste is beneficial for brain health and digestion, neutralizing pork's cooling nature. Remember, choose wisely when pairing shrimp for a nutritious meal. Thank you so much for spending time with us. If you found today's video help, please don't forget to subscribe and like it, and please share it with your precious family and friends. I will always pray for your health and happiness. This has been Dr. Luna. Thank you.